Let's start with the interface. So first, when you come on the screen, you have to log in. It will ask you for the login email or the Google account or the Microsoft account you need to log in. So for now, I'm choosing my Google account. Here we go. For now, I'm choosing the marketing, and after that, it will come with the interface like this. So let's start with the Discover Chat feature. When you are entering the Discover chat, it will ask you for your idea, real-time search, or content, or brainstorm the idea that comes in your mind. So I'm generating a caption for our YouTube channel, Generative Coach, and we are generating some 10 captions for the YouTube channel regarding the AI. And I have written my caption and click. After a click, we are get some exciting captions for a video like unlock the power of AI, exploring the culture, technology, and it's really like amazing captions that we can use for our upcoming videos. So there is a lot of features, but we are going for the marketing feature as we starting in the marketing. And once we click on the marketing features, we have a lot of features like create SEO optimization, content brief, algorithm checkers, writing blog posts, webinar follow-ups, webinar promotions, brainstorm Facebook, generate Google ads, generate fresh ads, writing LinkedIn posts, repurpose blogs, and so on. So there is a lot of features in a marketing features also, and we are going for the blog post, and here is the blog post interface, and it will ask for us to give some title for the content, and it's a title shaping the future how skill combined with AI tools driving success. It will take few minutes as it's a brief, and here we go. This give us a content in a three part like generating post, brainstorming title, and brainstorming meta description. And and if you need more exciting features, you need to upgrade your plan. And there is a two plans, and you have to pay like monthly or a yearly. If you pay monthly plan, you have to pay $49 per month, and if you pay yearly plans, you have to pay $36 per month. And for more exciting features and future videos, do comment us on the comment section and DM us on the Instagram, and stay connected with us for the more AI tools like this.